greatness is not this wonderful, esoteric, elusive, God-like feature that only the special among us will ever taste. You know, it's something that truly exists in all of us. It's very simple. This is what I believe, and I'm willing to die for it.
Yeah.
Period. It's that simple.
I know who I am, and I know what I believe.
I know who I am, I know what I believe.
That's all I need to know.
And that's all I need to know. So from there, you do what you need to do.
Yeah.
You know, and I think what happens is we make the situation more complex than it has to be.
Because we're looking for complexity. There's got to be something complex to understand.
It can't be that easy.
No.
Hi, welcome to this video today, and what we're going to be doing is looking at the real skills you need to achieve Forex trading success, how to acquire them, and how to apply them for profit. And I'm actually going to be using Will Smith to illustrate some of my points today. And I really like Will Smith. The more interviews I see with him, the more I like him. You know, he's intelligent, he's deep thinking, he's hardworking, he's humble, and you know, really, some of the quotes that he's got on achieving success are very applicable to Forex trading. In fact, a little while ago, I had a bet on him one day being the President of the United States. A bit of a long shot, but I'm sure he'd make a good one if he actually did become President. Now, the actual quote I've kicked off with is, he's making a point there that, you know, everyone has talent within them, okay? And it's really up to people to just basically have faith and belief in themselves and just basically say, right, yeah, I'm going to do it, and basically go for what you want. And Will Smith quoted Confucius in the interview as well, where he said, you know, those who say they can and those who say they can't are both probably right. And that quote I really like as well. I think, you know, if you want to achieve Forex trading success, the first thing you've got to do is basically, you know, be motivated to, you know, basically learn the skills you're going to need. Now, as I've said in other videos, you know, you can learn skills from other people, but at the end of the day, you are going to have to apply them, you know, on your own and deal with uncertainty in the Forex market, which is daunting for many people, but it's not really. Anyone can do it. Now, I just want to move on and give you two clips from Will Smith where he makes some key points about skills and also something he learnt in life. So what we'll do is we'll just look at these two quick clips and then we'll discuss them in a moment.
There's no easy way around it. No matter how talented you are, your talent is going to fail you if you're not skilled. You know, if you don't study, if you don't work really hard and dedicate yourself to being better every single day, you'll never be able to communicate with people, with your artistry, the way that you want.
One summer, his dad tore down a brick wall on the front of his business and told 12-year-old Will and his 9-year-old brother to rebuild it, a job they said was impossible. It took them 1.5 years, but they did it.
And he said, now don't you ever tell me it's something that you can't do.
You don't try to build a wall. You don't set out to build a wall. You don't say, I'm going to build the biggest, baddest, greatest wall that's ever been built. You don't start there. You say, I'm going to lay this brick as perfectly as a brick can be laid. And you do that every single day.
And soon you have a wall.
And soon you have a wall.
Hi, welcome back to this video after those two short clips of Will Smith, and I'm just going to go through the first one where he makes the link between talent and skills. I believe the same as he does, that we all have talents within us, and no one is better than anyone else. You know, we all have our own talents that we can develop and become successful with. The talents actually for Forex trading exist within everyone. So if you think about what's needed for Forex trading success, you need a simple system. Well, anyone can learn one of those. And then you need to choose the right mindset. It's mindset that basically will see you win at Forex trading. You've just got to have that right mindset. Now, to have a disciplined mindset is a choice. It's a choice anyone can make. And if you learn a simple system, get confidence in it, you can trade with that disciplined mindset. Now, if you look at the statistics of Forex trading, you've got that constant statistic of 95% of traders always lose. and it's never going to change. And the reason it never changes is because most people will not, adopt a disciplined mindset. If complicated methods, work better than simple ones, or there are shortcuts to success, small traders would win, and they quite clearly don't. So anyone can get that disciplined mindset. That comes from confidence in what you're doing and making the choice. Now, most traders just simply will not focus on what they need to develop to win. And, this is where you have a huge advantage, because if you come in with the attitude that you believe in yourself and, you are going to get that disciplined mindset, you will get that disciplined mindset. And, I think that, if you focus just on that fact of how many traders lose and how many traders have always lost, you'll see that what I'm saying is correct. Now, if you think about it, learning the skills will require some work. Most people, don't want to work in the Forex markets too hard, but you do have to do some work. You have to do some work in life, and you do in Forex trading, but the rewards are tremendous in my view. And, it's well worth the effort, and, the motivated person who wants to succeed will do that. Now I want to move to the second clip about the brick wall, because I found that, really interesting actually. Because, building a whole brick wall, kind of appears daunting, certainly to children, but the guys did it. And I think what that instilled in Will Smith was discipline. Look at how long it took them. They were focused on building the wall, laying the bricks the best way they could. They had focus on the job and the discipline to see it through to completion. And I think, it also taught him that, you do have to work and at something, and it takes time. Okay, most traders are in too much of a hurry to make money in the Forex markets. They want to do everything overnight. Forex trading, as I've said before, is a long haul. And when you've got a disciplined mindset and you're applying it, you also have to continually apply it without letting your guard slip in Forex trading. If you let your discipline break down, then you'll let your losses get out of control, and then you'll soon end up losing. So Forex trading requires a disciplined mindset, but you've got to keep it at all times. You've got to focus on the long term. And I think, if you treat Forex as a long-term business, then, you're doing the right thing, because it is a long-term business. And, you just got to maintain your discipline as you do your trading, and you'll make a lot of money. Now, I think with Will Smith, everyone looks at him and thinks, oh, well, he's successful. They probably envy him a bit. But, he works hard, and, he's made his rewards. And I think, his message about, everyone having talent, and the idea of, bringing your talents out, learning skills, being disciplined, being focused, I think we can learn from as Forex traders. So my own view is that, when you're looking at Forex trading, don't believe there's anyone better than you out there. If I can learn Forex trading, I'm sure anyone can. And I don't see myself as particularly talented, but what I do have is, the motivation to learn. And I also, do have a disciplined mindset. I'm prepared to work towards a goal. So you don't need anyone's help, to win at Forex trading. No one's going to lead you to success. You can do it all on your own. And anyone who says you can't, it's not true. You have the talents within you to succeed at Forex trading. And that is the video for today. And I'm just going to play out with what I think is a very inspirational clip from Will Smith, which I think encapsulates what this video has been about. So I hope you enjoy the video. Take care and have a good day.
Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. Not even me. All right?
Alright.
You got a dream, you got to protect it. People can't do something themselves. They want to tell you you can't do it. You want something, go get it. Period.